Hey, I'm back again. Same day of doing my ride here. Bike's over there. Heading the last part of my ride, going through South Deerfield. And look at that. I stopped because I thought right away that reminded me of a channel I still watch on YouTube by Kurt Bell out in, well, he's not in Japan, but he's going back soon. And when he was there, though, he did some videos and talked about a train, I guess a similar kind of function, called Dr. Yellow in Japan. And that totally reminded me of that little train, or repair train, so forth. So it looks like we got our own Dr. Yellow here. Yeah. I do like train videos or train paraphernalia, I guess, but I don't do a lot of it. But sometimes something strikes my fancy about the train, the rail, and beside the tracks. So I'm in South Deerfield. The center's pretty much right over there. Warm day, 70s. Kind of a first touch of humidity I could feel. Yeah, and I guess it's repair work or rail work. This function of this little train, and it looks pretty damn clean. Yeah, make sure I don't get hit. I heard a whistle. There it is. Oh, it's coming. I better get out. See, it might be coming from down there, Greenfield. So anyway, yeah, I'm off to the side, but you know what? I'll walk around and go off behind it. It's not a fast train coming my way, so I don't have to worry about jumping out of the way. Anyway, yeah, this is pretty clean. Looks to me, I don't know. Right, little horns up there. How about that? All right, so call it a day here, or call it a video. Not quite a day. And I will ask again, please subscribe. Get me up to 1,000 likes and 300 subscribers. I would appreciate that. Thanks again. I hope you enjoy this, my own Dr. Yellow video here.